Okay guys, got a 2500 Savana here. Just pulled the doghouse off. I think you know how to do that. The two clips there on the side. So right here is your oil pressure switch. This is where it comes off of. And it just unscrews with an 1 1/16, and then there's a clip. But what I wanted to show you was, hear that? That's the old one. I don't know if the wind is screwing me up here. I think you can hear that rattle. No bueno. Okay, so we're gonna stick this one in. Let me get my hand down in there. Screw her in. Whoops. It's hard to do it without seeing, but it's going. And she'll go down almost all the way tight. You won't have to turn it but a couple times with the socket. Good threads. So there it is there. I'll tighten it up with the wrench, plug that back in, clean this up with a little bit of brake clean, and we're good to go. Now this is through a P0523 and a P0521 code. It was erratic oil pressure. It would drop all the way to 0, then it would jump all the way up to 80, back to 0, stay at 0 for a while, etc. So definitely this sensor. So we got the codes cleared. We're going to go ahead and put this together, clean it up, and we're good to go. And we're right at the back of the engine. I think you can see that too. Again, the doghouse just unclips, moves back out of the way, and you're right there. So I hope this video helps you out. Oh, I didn't tell you, this is a 6.0 2500. I did tell you 2500 Savana 2008. Yeah, GMC. So 6.0. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.